Hello guys, in this video we will see various listener and listener methods. As as we know that listener listens the event fired from the um, component, and that particular listener passes the event to a respective methods. So every listener is having some methods according to the listener type. For now we have studied button. So button is a component for which the listener is action listener, and a method inside action listener is action performed. So event, the input parameter, if you see here, it is an action event. Okay, similarly for each and every component there are different listeners. Some are similar and some are different. Okay, for checkbox it is item listener method is item state changed. For checkbox group it is again the listener type is item listener, and listener method inside it is item state changed, and the input parameter is an item event object. So text field, it takes action listener and focus listener. For action listener, a method is action performed. Okay, and for focus listener there are two methods, focus gained and focus lost. So it depends upon the logic or the program requirement, a particular method will be used. Now for text area, again the same thing as text field. Okay, for choice it is action listener and item listener. Action listener, the method inside action listener is action performed, and item listener, item state change. For list, there are two listeners, action listener and item listener, same as choice. Then for scroll bar we have adjustment listener and mouse motion listener. So adjustment value changed is under adjustment listener, mouse dragged and mouse moved is under motion listener. For frames, so this is important. Now for frame there is a listener called as window listener. So window listener has the 7 methods: window activated, window closed, window closing, window deactivated, window deiconified, window iconified, and window opened. So all these 7 methods have to be implemented in the derived class. When you write implements window listener, that particular class has to implement all these 7 methods. Okay. Now last, keyboard. Keyboard is having a key listener. Inside key listener, the methods are key pressed, key released, and key typed. The input type is key event. Okay, and label is a component, but for label there is no listener. Okay, as it is a static, we use it to just display a text. So there is no listener because we don't perform any action on a label. Okay, so according to the component used and the action done on the component, the respective listeners are used. So this will be these are the interfaces, action listener, item listener. Okay, we will be using them, and inside those interfaces these are the methods. Okay, just write down, I'll just pause the video and note down all the listeners and its method types. Okay, thank you.